Buttertubs Marsh is a bird and wildlife sanctuary located in South Nanaimo. Parking is available at the south end of the marsh, just off of Jingle Pot Road. A 2-kilometer trail wraps around the east side of the marsh, which contains the largest amount of open water habitat. The marsh and the nearby Millstone River provide important habitat for a number of local birds, especially those that overwinter in the Nanaimo area. The marsh also provides important habitat for migratory birds for foraging, resting, and nesting. A number of viewing platforms and a viewing tower are situated around the marsh. These provide great opportunities to view the many waterfowl that move through the area. In addition to birds, the marsh is important habitat for western painted turtles. Restoration work is going on at different locations around the marsh to protect important turtle nesting habitat from humans and from predatory wildlife. The accessibility of Buttertubs Marsh makes it a destination for people of all ages.